Sometimes, just before trying a product, you have the product in your hands, and you have the feeling that the product is going to be good. The box, the build quality, the finish, all blends together, and that makes you feel really good.
There's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be. Don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if that's the case, let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. With this said, let's start the review of the UGREEN X6 earbuds. And in this review, I'm going to tell you how good they are, and we're going to go through the unboxing, sound test, microphones, all about it. And with this said, let's start the review. Starting with the price, the UGREEN Hitune X6 has a price tag of $69.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description and a discount code, please check them out. The UGREEN Hitune X6 has a great design, with the case having two colors, black on the lid and grey on the body, giving it a very premium feel. On the top of the lid, you have the UGREEN branding. On the front, you have a LED for battery indication. At the back, a USB-C port for charging and a pairing button. The case opening is very smooth. The lid will stay open on its own so you can access your earbuds. When you check your earbuds from the case, you will see the great design they are, in my opinion. The earbuds have two colors as well, glossy black and grey on the touch controls. On the front, you have two mics, one on the bottom and the other one on top. On the touch pad, the UGREEN logo. They are in-ear earbuds and very comfortable to use. Connecting the earbuds using my iPhone was not a problem, super fast. They start pairing as soon as you open the lid. In terms of battery life, the X6 comes with a decent battery life, giving you enough battery to get you through your day. A single charge gives you 6 hours of continued playback time and 26 hours of battery life with the charging case. 10 minutes of charging gives you 1 hour of playback time. The earbuds will take 1.5 hours to fully charge and the case 2 hours. For the price, the UGREEN Hitune X6 have great features. They come with Bluetooth 5.1, with support for AAC and SBC audio codecs. They have hybrid ANC, 6 mics with noise cancellation, more on the mics later on this video, ultra low latency around 50 milliseconds. The earbuds also have IPX5 water resistant rating, giving you enough protection for everyday elements, like your sweat, water splashes and light rain. The X6 also comes supported with super seamless mono and stereo mode, meaning you can either use any side anytime without connection breaking. Sound signature. The soundstage of the X6 is something to like. Has quite a nice balanced sound signature to get you through the most of your music genre. The bass is sufficiently powerful but not overpowering other frequencies. The lows are clean, the mids are decent, which provides you great vocal performance. The UGREEN HiTune X6 have hybrid active noise cancelling. It works quite decent and does cancel out a fair bit of noise, but is still far away from the more expensive earbuds. The X6 have 6 mics with ANC and Real Clear Voice 4.0. But better than I tell you how they sound, please be the judge on the next call quality inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the UGREEN microphones. 6 microphones with noise cancelling. Inside of the house, in my room, so no noises around. So let me know what you guys think about the sound coming from these earbuds. We're gonna go outside and do the same, but outside. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is the sounding any good? Are they any better or worse than the normal earbuds? Again, 6 microphones with noise cancelling. Let's jump in outside. Jump in outside. Oh my god. Right guys, so we're now outside and this is the sound of the UGREEN X6 outside. 6 microphones with noise cancelling. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound outside. Isn't it any better from the inside sound? Let me know in the comments. With this said, we're going to go back to the review and see you in a minute. See you in a minute. Let's go back to the review. In terms of latency, these earbuds are really good for gaming. They have a gaming mode. You can switch to the gaming mode by tapping 4 times on either side of the earbuds. This mode reduces the latency down for 15 milliseconds, so there is no audio delay when you are gaming. Watching YouTube and Netflix is also a great experience with these earbuds. Controls on the X6 are nice and complete, with everything you need available at your fingertips. And yes, even the sound volume. The UGREEN Hitune X6 are a straightforward pair of earbuds. They just work right out of the box. They are reliable and you can always count on for a quick instant pairing, good audio and long battery life. And that's it guys, this was our review on the UGREEN X6 earbuds. Great sounding, ANC, low latency for gaming, great microphones, and in the end, a great price as well. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about these earbuds. Are you guys gonna buy it? Have you bought one pair already? Let me know in the comments. And before we go, just please let me remind you, help the channel subscribing. Small channels like mine, without your support, will not survive. With this said, Tiago here, wishing you a great day, and I'll catch you later.